Welcome to the Stade d'Honneur in Meknes, Morocco for round 6 of the FIFA World Cup 2026 African qualifiers and a match in Group F between Burundi and Seychelles. Burundi looking for a win that will take them 5 points behind second place Gabon. In comes the free kick by Waymans, and it is headed in beautifully. Nduwakurira plants it past Akon. The ball into him was a thing of beauty. Another chance perhaps for Burundi to double up. Burundi past Alfie Walters, and it is tucked in by Bimenyimana. Lovely work down the left wing, but Burundi's number 7 scores a poacher's goal. Through ball to Chorty with a man in the middle for 3. It is 3. Far, far too easy. Chorty, great skill. Still going. Is there a strike? Now there is, and Akon once more. Corner here. Waymans punched away by Akon. Fizz back in. Strike that. What a goal. Yanakimana. How sweet of a hit is that? Akon giving it straight to Girumugisha. If even Ian Akon starts making big mistakes like that, it is an who have put 5 goals past Seychelles. It means that Burundi narrow the gap with Gabon above them to just 5 points.